In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most popular stateroom options on the Norwegian Sky. Recently refurbished, these rooms are beautiful and you have a lot of choices. We're going to let you know how they differ. And if you stick around, we'll show you the owner's suite, the largest stateroom on board. First, let's take a look at the balcony. A balcony stateroom has a queen-size bed that can turn into two twins. It converts so you can have one bed or two smaller beds. And these balconies are over 200 square feet. Plenty of room to spread out. They include, of course, the bed and a nice little couch, sitting area, and of course a flat screen TV, and a little desk area with a stool. Being a balcony stateroom, of course, you also have a balcony with floor-to-ceiling glass doors, and that private balcony typically includes two chairs and a little table. You can enjoy the view at sea. Of course, the balcony rooms also include a bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet, and plenty of room to put your toiletries. There's also a closet when you first enter the room where you can hang up your clothes and store your belongings while you're on the cruise. The next class of rooms is the Oceanview room. 149 square feet with a queen bed that can be split to be two twins. You've got your bedside tables and lights. Got a small sitting area and a little desk. And the rooms come with either a picture window or a porthole. You can see from these overhead views in the schematics, the setup can either have the queen, like I said, with a table on each side of the bed. And you've got a little couch, of course, closet when you first come in, and a bathroom with a shower. That's a picture window version. Of course, there's also the porthole Oceanview rooms. Those are a little different setup, but they can also have the combined queen bed or the separate twins, little sitting area, and a bathroom with a shower. The Oceanview staterooms are a great choice if you want a view outside, but you don't want to pay as much as a balcony room would cost. Next up are the inside staterooms. The inside staterooms again have a queen-size bed, can convert into two twins. The inside staterooms range from 121 to 147 square feet, and some have a sofa bed. The seating is limited in these rooms as they are smaller, and they can accommodate between 2 and 4 guests. If you want to save even more money, reserve a sail-away stateroom. They'll pick the exact room for you, so you don't choose the exact room, but you'll be guaranteed to get a stateroom in that class. Now let's take a look at the owner's suite. The owner's suite is 835 square feet, with a balcony that is 353 square feet. Plenty of room with a bedroom, the convertible bed, a desk, TV, and there's also a living room area with a dining area. The bathroom has both a shower and a whirlpool tub, and the oversized balcony even has your own private hot tub. The owner's suite can accommodate up to 5 guests and includes butler and concierge service. Now let's take a look at some Norwegian Sky stateroom tips. Starting with, keep in mind that cabins in the same class may vary by layout and size. Avoid rooms adjacent to public areas, as staterooms directly next to, above, or below public areas such as bars and restaurants may experience more noise than rooms adjacent to other staterooms. If you're concerned about getting seasick, consider a midship stateroom on a lower deck, as they tend to experience the least motion. For information and photos of specific rooms from the Norwegian Sky, check out these websites, cruiseline.com and the Shipmate app. Both have photos and images of specific cabins on board. And cruisedeckplans.com, also linked down below, has information on specific rooms on the Norwegian Sky. For additional assistance picking out your Norwegian Sky stateroom, consult a travel agent. If you enjoy this sort of information, please help us out by giving us a thumbs up and liking the video below. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, it's just a way to follow us so you don't miss our future cruise videos. For more information on the Norwegian Sky, Check out this video next.